So we have matrices A and B, and the first number requires that you add matrix A to matrix B. So in addition, just add the corresponding terms. So this one will be matrix A, which is 3 2 1 4 2 1 2 1 2, will be added to matrix B, which is 1 0 1 2 3 1 2 1 3. So here you just add the corresponding entries in each matrix. So in this case, you'll have 3 plus 1, 2 plus 0, 1 plus 1. Then here you'll have 4 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 1 plus 1. Then you'll have 2 plus 2, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3. So that you have, that is 4, that is 2, that is 2, that is 6, that is 5, that is 2, that is 4, that is 2, and that is 5. Then you can also be asked to get the difference between the two matrices. So in this case, again, you'll get the difference between corresponding entries in the matrices. So here you'll have 3 minus 1, 2 minus 0, 1 minus 1. Then you'll have 4 minus 2, 2 minus 3, 1 minus 1. Then you'll have 2 minus 2, 1 minus 1, then 2 minus 3. So you'll have 2, 2, 0, 2, negative 1, 0, 0, 0, negative 1. Then you can also be told to multiply a matrix by a number, or what we call a scalar. So in this case, the scalar is 2. So this means that you take the scalar, which is 2 in this case, and you multiply by the matrix. So the matrix A there is 3 2 1 4 2 1 2 1 2. So in this case, the scalar will multiply each and every entry in the matrix. So we'll have 2 times 3, that is 6, 2 times 2, that is 4, 2 times 1, that is 2, 2 times 4, that is 8, 2 times 2, that is 4, 2 times 1, that is 2, 2 times 2, that is 4, 2 times 1, that is 2, 2 times 2, that is 4. Okay. Again, you can be asked to multiply two matrices. Like in this case, we've been told to multiply A times B. So in this case, just arrange them like 3 2 1 4 2 1 2 1 2, multiplying matrix B, which is 1 0 1 2 3 1 2 1 3. So in multiplication of matrices, the row for the first matrix multiplies the columns for the second matrix in turns. So let's go. 3 times 1 plus 2 times 2 plus 1 times 2. Okay, then that is the first column done. Then the second column, 3 times 0 plus 2 times 3 plus 1 times 1. Then the last column, 3 times 1 plus 2 times 1 plus 1 times 3. So we're done with the first row. So we go to the second row. 4 times 1 plus 2 times 2 plus 1 times 2. Then we go 4 times 0 plus 2 times 3 plus 1 times 1. Then for the last column, 4 times 1 plus 2 times 1 plus 1 times 3. Then we're now in the last row, row 3. 2 times 1 plus 1 times 2 plus 2 times 2. Then 2 times 0 plus 1 times 3 plus 2 times 1. Then the last column now, 2 times 1 plus 1 times 1 plus 2 times 3. Now let us simplify that. That is 3 plus 4 plus 2, then that is 0 plus 6 plus 1. Then here we have 3 plus 2 plus 3. Here we have 4 plus 4 plus 2. And here we have 0 plus 6 plus 1. Here we have 4 plus 2 plus 3. Here we have 2 plus 2 plus 4. We have 0 plus 3 plus 2. Then here we have 2 plus 1 plus 6. Let us again simplify that. So 3 plus 4 plus 2, that is 9. 0 plus 6 plus 1, that is 7. 3 plus 2 plus 3, that is 8. Then 4 plus 4 plus 2, that is 10. Then 6 plus 1, that is 7. Then 4 plus 2 plus 3, that is 9. Then 2 plus 2 plus 4, that is 8. Then 3 plus 2, that is 5. Then 2 plus 1 plus 6, that is 9. And you have your answer there.